first thing you have to do once you've bought a CTX 3030 is you've got to put it together. And I'm going to show you how easy and quick that is to do. First, unpack the box. Fit the washers, then push the lead up through the stem. Fit the lower stem to the coil and secure it using the nut and bolt supplied. Now the next thing we need to do is to actually fit the lower stem into the upper stem. Now there's only one way this will go. If you have a look at that there, you can see this has got a cam and that has got a keyway for that cam. Push the stem up and twist it into the correct position. Lock the upper stem. Take the control box and slide it onto the upper stem until it clicks. Connect the data cable to the control box and do up the knurled nut. Now tighten the knurled nut on the coil lead and then click into position. Fit the arm cup onto the upper stem by sliding it down the rail. Adjust it for your arm, lock the locking screw into position. Now press the battery against the seal and use the two locking latches to secure it into place. And lastly, plug in the headphone module, do up the plastic bolt and then tighten it with a coin. So that's it, the metal detector's all made up. So all you have to do now is get to your field, extend the bottom rod, clamp it, switch it on and start hunting.